Happy Easter! The tomb is empty, and that changes everything. Early in the morning, Mary Magdalene came to the tomb, carrying grief, confusion, and pain. She thought it was the end. But when she arrived, the stone was already rolled away. The tomb was empty. At first, she did not understand. Even the disciples were confused because sometimes God works quietly, not in a loud miracles, but in silent beginnings. The empty tomb is not just a sign that Jesus is alive. It is a message for us that your pain is not the end. Your failures are not the end. Your story is not finished. God is already working even when you do not see it. Happy Easter! Christ is alive, and hope is alive in you. Amen.